Oh, hello there, everybody, and welcome back to my math studio. I'm Daniel, likes to read a math textbook to help himself go to sleep, but then gets so excited he can't sleep for days. Valvo. And today I'm wearing this proper tee because I want to talk to you about something very important. Properties. Let's get going. First up, we have the identity property of addition, which can be written a plus 0 equals a, where a is a variable that could be any number. In English, this says that if you add 0 to any number, the resulting sum is the number you started with. So for any a plus 0 equals a. In particular, 5 plus 0 equals 5. Next up, we have the identity property of multiplication, which can be written as a times 1 equals a, where again a is a variable that could be any number.